Thanks for sharing your plan. Not quite sure where you're going here. You want to connect these and then over to here? I mean, just from your description, the five-sided cabinet doesn't make any sense at all. So I'm going to do what makes sense to me. I'm going to cabinet in there and go right to the corner. I'm just winging it here. I'm going to take another cabinet and make it 3 inches thick. Depth 3 inches. So that the toe kick still shows. I don't use angle snaps. They just get in my way. Let's see yeah. There we go. I found that angle snap just keeps me from doing what I want to do most of the time. Let's see, I need to bear with me. I guess you don't have a choice. I mean, this is a really odd angle. I think it's about right. I'm going to pull that in so that the corners of the cabinets match. It's still not quite right. Pretty close though. I'm going to extend that a little bit more and alter this. I'm pressing the control key so it doesn't snap around. Well, it snaps anyway. Boy, it's hard to control that. That's pretty close. Okay, let me show you what we got. So now drawers wouldn't necessarily work there on the corner. I don't know what, I think you'd be better off putting doors there because the depth isn't going to be very good. So I'm going to delete that, and turn this into a double door. Where's door double? There it is. So there's not much room back there anyway. Okay. I have no idea what you're planning to do here, but again, I'm just going to put a cabinet there and see if I can get now what. I don't want a radius. The side of the cabinet you're trying to change has into as a special type. Okay. Again, I got to get rid of the drawers. Yeah, well, yeah. Let's see if it'll go now. So trying to change as a special type into a special type is it gets another cabinet or wall. Would you like to take advantage, make change anyway? Yes. Okay, that's kind of where I was going. Only I picked the wrong angle. See, let's go over here. Includes right hand. No. Curses. Okay. I don't want it right. I want it right. Yeah, something like that. That's to me, this is completely goofy. But nevertheless, and then to finish it up, click on this custom countertop. And let's see. Oops. Let's stretch that out. And change the geometry of that using a brake tool. I think I'm going to get rid of that rounded corner. Yeah. We'll move that over here. Move this over to here. Yeah, that's working. Let's see what that looks like now. See? That's my best guess at what you're talking about, but this has a lot more than 5 sides. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, maybe it's 5. But that's my best guess to answer your question. I don't know how happy you are with it, but I hope it helps. Gives you some ideas on what to do. Now, of course, this door here is useless. There's no way it can open. I guess you might be able to take this and open it and change the swing, but that's not going to help much. You're not going to be able, because of the wall there, you're not going to be able to open it very far. Let's see. No. Vertical, what? Man. Oh, door drawer. No. I can't select that. Can't select it, I can't change it. Yeah. Okay. It's not perfect, not very workable in my opinion. Yeah, I think I need to move back that toe kick back. I didn't notice that. Maybe I need to make it a little bit thicker. Well, it's just sticking out a little bit. Anyway, hope this helps you, but whether it does or not, make it a great day. Thank you. And out of here.